Barn is off there in the distance where I have the other video. But here we have this wall that started. And this thing goes the whole way back and up to the road, which is probably about 150, 200 yards away now. But this isn't a small wall. It's probably a good 6 to 8 feet across in most places. And it gets up to probably about 3 foot, 4 foot. Not much higher than that. But it goes all the way down. And here on this side, same thing. This is going the whole way down. We'll follow this along for a minute. If I backtrack here, it looks like this kind of ends down here, which would make sense because there is a good, like a valley down there that has a creek, I guess when it rains. We'll walk down here. Okay, we're at the end of that path now. The wall kind of washes out. You can see parts of it down there as it continues to come in and then just get kind of totally lost here under a bunch of grass, but it's still here. Come around to the other side here quick. It's just all kind of built up in there, but yeah, you can see the rocks. They're back inside there. So in exploring this place, when you look on Google Maps, I'm not sure if that's where the building was or if over here was where the building was. But on Google Maps, you can see there was definitely a building. Might have been right over here. Yeah, it looks like they tore it down there. Might have fell down with all this rain and all this wind we've been having. So we're gonna walk down there because that's where the wall kind of starts up again. And I kind of showed you already in the other video, depending on how well I put these edits together. There's the other start of the wall that leads up to the road where I came in the other day. But we're gonna go down here. It's almost like a road, but it's gonna follow this creek that's buried down in there. You can hear it. Got a little pond over here, retaining pond. Yeah, all back up through those woods, there's these stone walls. So the wall kind of dead ends in here, from what I can tell. It actually banks along this creek. And then runs right out. Kind of a break there, and I showed you the waterfall that's over there. Looks like this has had a long time to back up a lot of silt, sorry. Because the bottom of this is right at the top of the little dam down there. So it's been here a while, definitely. Gettysburg, we have all these little stone walls all over the place that they've built up, property lines, defensive purposes. Yeah, now we're getting pretty tall. That's definitely like, that's a good 4 foot.